Artificial satellites. Satellites launched by man to revolve round the Earth are called artificial satellites. Sputnik 1 was the first artificial satellite launched by Russia on October 4, 1957. Later, hundreds of artificial satellites were launched by different countries. Some bring us television pictures from the other side of the world. Some bring communications from the other side of the world. Others are used to help ships and planes to find their way. India has launched many artificial satellites like Aryabhatta, Rohini, INSAT-1B, INSAT-1C, etc. The Russian astronaut Yuri Gagarin was the first man to go round the Earth in spacecraft. Satellite. Do you know? Meteosat is a satellite that follows the Earth's weather. Rockets are used to carry things into space. They are the only machines powerful enough to take spacecraft away from the Earth. The first woman who went round the Earth in a spacecraft is Valentina Tereshkova. The first woman who went round the Earth in a spacecraft is Valentina Tereshkova. The first man who landed on the moon was Neil Armstrong, who was an American. The first Indian who went into the space is Rakesh Sharma. Do you know? Saturn V is the largest rocket that carried the first astronaut that landed on the moon. What have we learned? There are millions of stars in the universe. Groups of star formations in a symbolic way are called constellations. There are 88 constellations across the sky. Ursa Major, Orion, Big Dipper, and Cancer are some examples of constellations. There are 9 planets in the solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. All planets rotate on their axis and also revolve round the Sun. Jupiter is the largest and Pluto is the smallest planet of the solar system. Mercury is the hottest and Pluto is the coldest planet of the solar system. Each planet moves round the Sun in a circular path called an orbit. A satellite is an object in space which travels in an orbit around a planet. Artificial satellites are useful for communication and weather forecasts. Astronauts are travelers in space. They are also called cosmonauts. New words learned. Constellations, groups of stars. Planets, ball-shaped objects moving around the Sun. Stars, enormous balls of burning gases. Orbit, the path followed by planets traveling around the Sun. Astronauts, travelers in the space.